Hi, welcome back to COSS India online training series. Today, and to continue of RHL version 8 training videos, we will discuss about a new tool to manage the local storage on Linux. The name is STRATIS. STRATIS for the first time has been released by the Red Hat to manage the local storage over the RHL version 8. My name is Mohammed Ali Nawal. I am Red Hat Architect, and in this tutorial video, I will be with you to show what is STRATIS, how it works, and how you can implement it over the Red Hat storage. Let's continue. What is STRATIS? The first question is why we should use STRATIS. Do we have other technologies to manage the local storage? Answer is yes. We have master boot record, guide partition table, LVM, ISCSI, RAID, and so and so. But why STRATIS? One of the answers is the other technologies, means these technologies, they will ask user to implement from scratch. The user should start implement them from the scratch over the storage. But with STRATIS, story is different. No need to start from scratch. STRATIS will use existing component of the storage and implement itself over them. This is the difference between STRATIS and other technologies. The next part and the next important point is what is the STRATIS layers? How many layers they will work with each other and they will implement STRATIS over the local storage? The answer is 3. Block device, pool, and the file system. We have hard disks. We will combine them together and generate a pool. And from the pool, we can shift ourselves and jump over the file system. What about format the file system? What happened? In STRATIS, no need to format the storage with the file system. By default, it will be formatted by the XFS file system, and it will deliver it to the customer. In the right side, you can watch internal layers, and in the left side, you can watch the user view layers. User can watch 3 layers, block device, pool, and file system. But in the right side, you can watch a pure technical and internal layers. They will work together and they will implement storage over the hard disk in the Linux, over the Linux. How we can implement? 2 steps. Step number 1, install a package of STRATIS. Step number 2, involve your storage and implement it over the storage. How we can do it? I wrote it here, how you can do this one, and we will practice over it. Here, I have access to the server, and I design this server for this type of job. Step number 1, cat/proc party. How many hard disks are available over this machine? We have STB, STC, STD, and STE. Next step, what about the packages? Yum, list, STRATIS star. And you can watch the packages. 2 packages will be available. They are available inside the machine. Then try to install it. Yum install STRATIS star -y. I did mistake. Yes, the packages they are installing right now. Yes. And done. The STRATIS packages has been installed over the machine. Good. Next step. System ctl status STRATIS d dot service. You can watch daemon is loaded, but it's inactive and dead. System ctl enable --now STRATIS d dot service, and you should start it. Now, if you use status, you can watch daemon is active and running, and it's enabled. Good. Next step, run it. Involve the storage and bring them into the STRATIS architecture. STRATIS file system, pool or version, --version. It will show you what is the version you are using right now over this OS. After that, STRATIS, step number 1, pool. After we will create the pool. The name is pool 1. After create a pool name, we should involve the storage /dev, sdb, /dev, sdc. That's enough. Our pool will be created. How can I watch it? Run this one, and after the pool, type list. You can watch a pool number 1 and 10 GB size available here. How can I watch how many storage has been involved in this case? Then we can use STRATIS. After that, block device in list. Block device list. It will show you SDB and SDC. They are involving in this case. Now, if I want to involve other hard disk, what should I do? Here, in this case, if you want to do this one, you should run the one command. The name is STRATIS pool add data. Then, if you want this one and it will bring the other hard disk, we can use STRATIS pool add data over pool number 1 /dev /sdc, sdb, sdc, and sdd. Now, if you run pool list, you can watch the 15 GB size. And if you watch STRATIS block device list, you can watch 3 hard disks are involving. The next step is STRATIS tab. Watch the file system from create from the pool 1. The name is fs1, and you can press enter. The file system number 1 has been generated. How can I watch it? STRATIS file system list, and you can watch the pool 1. The file system number 1, it comes from the pool number 1. I told you before, when you create file system, by default it will be formatted with the XFS file system, VLKID, and you can watch here /dev mapper STRATIS number 1. At least you can watch the file system here. It has been formatted with the XFS file system and it's ready to use. How can I use it? Make a mount point, mk dir /mnt fs1, enter. After that, take your UUID from here. This is your UUID. And vim/etc fs, enter, shift go. UUID equal to, paste it here, /mnt /fs1 XFS file system defaults 0 and 0. Save and quit. Use mount-a and df-h. You can watch your STRATIS file system has been mounted over the what? Over the /mnt fs1, and it's usable right now. One of the perfect feature over the STRATIS is snapshot. What the meaning of the snapshot? Suppose I will do something here. Touch /mnt fs1 file 1, or it's better to use echo. Echo hello redirect /mnt file system 1. The name is file1.txt. If you want to take backup of your STRATIS, this feature is snapshot. We can take a snap of the existing file system, STRATIS file system, and we will keep it for the what? For that day, the main file system will not be accessible. Let's do it. Start file system, snapshot, pool 1, fs1, a snap, fs1, enter. It takes time, but the snapshot, one snap of the fs1 will be created. Just a few seconds, it will be ready. This is the one of the feature over the STRATIS. Actually, this feature helps us to take the backup of the existing file system on the STRATIS and keep it for that date that main file system will not be available or accessible. Yes, you can use STRATIS file system list and you can watch pool number 1 fs1 and from pool number 2 snap fs1. Now I want to show you how it works. Then I will use one thing, vim/etc. First of all, let me /mnt fs1. After that, vim/etc. fs enter. I will use dd and mount-a. Now STRATIS file system fs1 enter. Sorry, pool 1 fs1 enter. Now STRATIS file system list, you don't have the main file system. Main file system has been disappeared. Then now if you have the snap, you can use it instead of the main file system. How we can use it? blki, take the UUID of that one. After that, vim/etc. fstab, shift G4, put it here, come back and put UUID, capital, where is mount point, mnt/fs1, file system, xfs defaults 00. Save it, use mount-a, df-h capital T, and important is ll/mnt fs1. Information is there. cat/mnt fs1 file, and information is available. Then this is the advantage of take a snapshot of the file system. This feature has been released with the STRATIS file system with the RHEL8. Hope this video could help you to be familiar with the STRATIS. What is STRATIS, how it works, and how we can implement it over the RHEL8 with the sample. Thanks for your time, and hope can see you again in the next tutorial video from the COSS India. Thank you so much. Bye.